When performing drop count tests, it is important to minimize interferences that may affect your results. In this demonstration, we will illustrate the effect of static charge. First, we will add drops to a plastic vial in an environment where we have introduced a static charge. Notice how the drops are pulled to the side of the vial and are irregularly shaped. To remove the static charge, we recommend wiping down the vial and bottle surfaces with a damp cloth or towel. Now we will add drops again, this time where no static charge is present. Here the drops are uniform in shape and size. Drop count test kits and dropper tips are calibrated to a specific drop size. Static charges can affect this drop size, which will cause an error in your results. In this instance, the static electricity considerably reduced the drop size, leading to a 17% error in your results. Other levels of static may give different results.